Linking your bank account to public.com is a straightforward process that allows you to fund your investments easily. Follow these steps to connect your bank account successfully. Step 1. Open the Public app. Download and install the Public app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and log into your account or create a new account if you don't have one. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile icon or the settings gear in the app. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your personal information and linked accounts. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option that says Link Bank Account or Add Bank Account. Tap on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Choose your bank. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Enter your bank credentials. Follow the prompts to enter your bank login credentials securely. This may include your username, password, and possibly answering security questions. After entering your information, confirm the connection to complete the process. After completing these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your public.com account. You can now easily transfer funds for your investments.